Introducing the AXION Wave Hand System. The AXION Wave Hand System is a cutting-edge, microcurrent therapy solution designed to deliver energy deep into the skin of the hands, helping to drive AXION Extreme serum deeper for maximum rejuvenation and repair. How it works. Innovative glove design. The system features a uniquely shaped open glove, crafted from graphene-infused 3D filament. This glove is printed on a 3D printer for precision, ensuring a perfect fit that comfortably delivers microcurrent to the back of the hand. Secured with snap bracelet. The glove is held in place by two snap bracelets, allowing it to stay firmly on the hand while connected to a microcurrent stimulator, such as the AXION Wave 0.3 Hz. Touchless serum application. Before treatment, 4 drops of AXION Extreme serum are applied to the back of the hand and rubbed into the skin using a unique serum applicator, allowing for a completely touch-free application. This ensures no product is wasted, and the serum penetrates deeply. Wait 3 minutes. Allow the serum to absorb into the skin for 3 minutes before proceeding to the next step. This waiting period ensures optimal absorption of the active ingredients in the serum. Wet underdressing. After the waiting period, apply a wet underdressing to the back of the hand to enhance conductivity and ensure that the microcurrent can effectively drive the serum into the skin. Wave hand electrode. The wave hand electrode is placed over the dressing and connected to the microcurrent device, allowing energy to flow through the skin and maximize the serum's benefits. Completing the circuit. A reusable electrode is applied farther up the forearm to complete the circuit. This electrode ensures that the microcurrent passes evenly through the treatment area, boosting the serum's effectiveness. Treatment time. 1. The treatment lasts 20 minutes, and the current level is adjusted according to patient comfort. Benefits. Deep serum penetration. The system's design allows for deeper delivery of the AXION Extreme serum, ensuring better absorption and faster skin rejuvenation. Rejuvenation and repair, ideal for addressing signs of aging and skin damage on the hands. The system promotes collagen production and enhances skin texture. Advanced technology. The combination of graphene-infused materials and microcurrent technology ensures a highly effective, non-invasive treatment. The AXION Wave Hand System is a breakthrough solution for hand rejuvenation, delivering real results by leveraging the power of microcurrent therapy and advanced skincare technology. Order at www.gamicro.com. Contact roventura@gmail.com for order details. Testing the results of a 20-minute wave hand session. The results from the 20-minute session using the AXION Wave Hand System and AXION Extreme Serum, in combination with microcurrent technology, show significant improvements across all measured skin parameters: hydration, water content. Before, 14%, after, 44%. Comment: a dramatic increase in water content, from 14% to 44%, demonstrates that the microcurrent treatment successfully drove the serum's hydrating ingredients deep into the skin. This level of hydration is crucial for improving skin texture, reducing fine lines, and promoting a plump, youthful appearance. Oil content. Before, 18%, after, 39%. Comment: the increase in oil content, from 18% to 39%, indicates that the serum helped balance the skin's natural oil levels, likely due to the nourishing oils like rosehip seed oil in the formulation. This improved balance can help prevent both dryness and excessive oiliness, which are common in aging or damaged skin. Elasticity. Before, 41%, after, 54%. Comment: the boost in elasticity, from 41% to 54%, is a significant result, suggesting enhanced collagen production and skin firmness. The peptides and microcurrent therapy are likely responsible for stimulating collagen, which restores elasticity and helps firm up the skin, reducing the appearance of sagging. Skin age. Before, 46 years, after, 27 years. Comment: the overall reduction in the skin's relative age, from 46 to 27, is a remarkable outcome, highlighting the effectiveness of the combined microcurrent treatment and serum in rejuvenating the skin. This reflects improvements in hydration, elasticity, and oil balance, all of which contribute to a more youthful appearance. Conclusion: the data clearly demonstrates that the AXION Extreme serum used with microcurrent therapy significantly improves skin hydration, oil balance, and elasticity, resulting in a much younger relative skin age. These results emphasize the value of combining a premium serum with microcurrent technology for effective skin rejuvenation and repair. Here are the percentage improvements for each measurement after the treatment. Water content, increased by 214.29%. Oil content, increased by 116.67%. Elasticity, improved by 31.71%. Skin age, decreased by 41.30%. A lower skin age is better, so this is a positive result.